Andy, it's pretty much a given nowadays that every home needs to have an alarm system.
It's true, but not everybody wants to pay that monthly fee to get that peace of mind of alarm system in their home.
And I'm always looking for something that you can customize, because what if you upsize, what if you downsize, what if you want to add more sensors, more cameras? We're looking at the Skylink Alarm System Starter Kit SK150, and it comes with a hub that's about the size of the palm of my hand. Also, door and window sensors about the size of an eraser, and a motion sensor that's about the size of a pack of matches.
Yeah, and so when you put all this together, you're going to basically get the beginnings of a security system in your home. You can monitor your windows or doors in the event that they get open, and that's because the way that these sensors work, as soon as they are dislodged or apart, you're going to get a push notification. And the great thing, Sherry, about Skylink is it doesn't matter what platform you're on, whether iOS or Android, they have an app for each of them. So it's very agnostic. It's not like some of the devices that only work for one or the other.
It adds up to 100 sensors on the same system with this hub. So you're able to add as much doors and window sensors as you want.
So essentially what you do with this hub is you would mount this on your wall. You have your basically keypad of where you can have your security to arm or disarm. And then from there, there are a variety of different accessories, whether it's window sensors that you have if somebody's trying to open up your windows and say you're on vacation. Thankfully, through the Skylink app, you're going to get notifications that your window is open when it shouldn't be.
And it also comes with a motion sensor, so you're able to pick up whether it's a burglar intruding your house or if it's just your cat.
Exactly, and another great thing is they're basically creating a connected home, because you can get smart plugs as well, so you can get notifications and turn things on remotely, on or off, which is good because say you're on vacation and you want to turn your lights on, you can do it all from the Skylink app on your phone, provided it is connected to this smart plug.
And it does, the entire system, Skylink system, does support IFTTT, so you're able to set up scenarios and commands so that you can control multiple devices or sensors at the same time.
Now, another great feature about this is in the event that you do have a power outage, they are battery powered, so you have that peace of mind knowing if the power's out, you're still going to have security in your home, which I think for a lot of people is what they're looking for in a security system.
And the best part, unlike some of the conventional alarm system companies, there's no contracts or no fees with the Skylink system. It's all DIY, and you just have to pick up the sensors and add them to the system as you like.
And let's be clear, you do not have to be an electrician or a super geeky person to be able to set this up. If you can download an app on your phone, if you can plug something into the wall, you can probably set this up by yourself. And like you said, no monthly fees. It's a one-time cost. Retails for what? About $150 Canadian. And you can get that peace of mind of a security system in your home without even having to be at home, because you're going to get push notifications on your smartphone in the event that something happens, whether it's motion sensors or if a window or door gets open.
So if you're looking for a home alarm system, the Skylink kits are a great choice, because you're able to add as many sensors and cameras and motion sensors as you want.
You got to check it out. Again, it's from Skylink, and this is their starter kit. Check it out.